Bitcoin history is still exactly repeating, and the next move is about to be created anytime soon. We are getting squeezed inside of this symmetrical triangle, and a big breakout is going to be inevitable. Still, that majority of the liquidity is sitting at above that 100k level, so we are going to need to be talking about that exactly and much more in this update video. We need to be talking about altcoins because Ethereum is finally starting to bounce back towards the upside. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And yes, in that short term, Bitcoin is still consolidating inside of this symmetrical triangle, still being held down by this downward sloping level of resistance and getting held up by this upward sloping level of support. Yesterday we have been beautifully seeing a bounce from off this level over here. So yeah, that has been absolutely beautiful. Now what has been even better is that still Bitcoin history is exactly to the point, exactly repeating. We've been talking about this scenario already at the beginning over here, while we were getting our first initial dump towards the downside. We have been talking about this scenario, how this is very likely to be, repeated from of that 20k level, psychological level of resistance. Right now, getting this rejection from the 100k psychological level of resistance. I have been saying that this Bitcoin history is very likely to repeat, and yes, right now we have been having our break towards the downside outside of this symmetrical triangle over here. We have been printing our higher low, and after this higher low, look at what happened during last time. We just saw a squeeze towards the upside, some consolidation, and after that consolidation we absolutely blasted off towards the upside and never returned towards these prices again. So yeah, that is why I'm saying it is about to happen again. I do think it is going to be very likely anyways. We are about to be seeing a massive breakout anytime soon within the coming few days, and I think that this breakout over here is going to be ultimately very decisive, whether we're going to be seeing first of all a little bit of a squeeze towards the downside and then a push towards the upside, or if we are indeed going to be seeing this scenario playing out and already squeeze towards the upside right now. So let's see which scenario is going to be playing out. But one thing is going to be for certain, that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is definitely sitting above that 100k price level. Inevitably, a squeeze towards the upside is going to be inevitable. The momentum which we are getting towards the upside right now is just absolutely mind-blowing. So I would definitely not bet against this trend which we are seeing. December has just started, and always in Bitcoin halving years, December tends to be a bullish month. So yes, still this Bitcoin history is exactly repeating, even if we're going to be having a look into it. For example, these charts, December of course has been started. We have been having Thanksgiving, and always after Thanksgiving, Bitcoin has been going parabolic towards the upside in halving years. So yes, it is to be expected that Bitcoin is about to explode again if we are going to be having a look into our history. If history were to be an indication of what is going to be happening next, yes, it is going to be pointing that we are going to be seeing an exponential rally towards the upside again for Bitcoin. So yeah, anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself right now with this massive opportunity coming up in the Bitcoin charts, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be trading over on Blofin with no KYC. So everyone all around the world, no matter where you're from, you're going to be eligible to be trading over on Blofin. And on top of that, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses. So make sure to be checking it out. A 10% cashback, $2,000 in deposit bonuses for free with that link down below. Make sure to be checking it out. You do not need any KYC to be claiming these deposit bonuses. So guys, this is going to be absolutely insane. Make sure to check it out. Anyways, the spot Bitcoin ETF inflows are still looking very good. Yesterday, we have had another inflow of $676 million. Of course, I've been explaining many times already that this rally towards the upside for Bitcoin is mostly being driven by spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. So as long as we're still going to be seeing these massive spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, I still do think that Bitcoin is about to explode even higher. So yeah, anyways, this is looking very good in my opinion. The major trend is still absolutely mind-blowing. We are getting a lot of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. We have been beautifully predicting this rally towards the upside right over here after breaking this broadening wedge towards the upside. Anyways, having a look in towards Ethereum, well, Ethereum is finally starting to show some strength again. Of course, Q4 is usually the best quarter for Bitcoin, but Q1 is the best quarter for Ethereum, and people are starting to price it in already right now. December is usually that bottoming out period for the Ethereum against Bitcoin pair. So yes, because Q1 is expected to be so bullish for Ethereum, well, people are already starting to price it in right now already. Now, yes, whenever we're going to be breaking this downtrend over here, then I think we're about to absolutely explode for Ethereum. Now, the Ethereum against the US dollar pair is actually looking very good because we have been forming this inverse head and shoulders. Right now, finally, we are seeing this break towards the upside, perfectly retesting previous resistance as support at this current moment. So guys, this chart is looking very good. We are about to print new all-time highs anytime soon, in my opinion. It is about to happen. Anyways, this is going to be very bullish for all the altcoins. And I still remember saying this back in the day on September, that altcoins are about to be absolutely exploding towards new all-time highs. And yeah, back then nobody believed me that something like this could be happening, this white line over here. But in the end of the day, look at what happened, right? We just exploded towards the upside. We have seen that exactly playing out. We have seen a huge rally towards the upside. So playing out perfectly, but I think that altcoins are about to be exploding much and much more. So anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Make sure to be subscribing to my YouTube channel. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.